Fergus Solar, Alan. Yes. Yes. Fergus Solar Studios logo. Then the Lionsgate logo. And now, what's finally after that? Alan? Finally, we have the Universal logo. I just absurd. Oh, wasn't not the Earth. No, not the text. Not the text. No, don't go on the flying text. No. Ah! Well, no. Well, that's what Resby said. Well, maybe. Well, maybe. Here we go. Well, here we go. Maybe. Well, maybe. That's good. Well.
Sesame Street is a...
Down. Oh, what's the noise? No, not the Earth. No, not the flying cat. No. Ah! Down. Going back to my neck now. No. I'm going to look. I'm going to perfect thing to do. Down.
Dinging thing to ding. Production.
Down. Down. Oh, what's that noise? No, not the Earth, not spirits again, not the flying cats again, no. Ah! Oh, okay. No. Down. I need. Down. Better find it. I'll see later. Down. Because. Oh, one more time. Oh no, not bother again. For last time, how is this possible? No, not text, not text for last time. No, last time, bother. Nah. Big Bird. Amanda.
Of the children.
Big Bird. Told you not to watch Bob Miller, Big Bird. Told not to watch Bob Miller, Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird. I told not to watch him.
I didn't.
I told not to watch Bob Miller. I'm the one that's just like us along with Rosita.
What's going on?
I'm along with Rosita because I'm along with Rosita because we both told not to watch Bob Miller because the Universal logo, Lionsgate logo, and the Universal logo, Lionsgate logo, and the Lyric Studios logo, but you just wouldn't listen to me or Rosita. Floating.
Oh, hi, Alan.
Floating.
I'm looking for Elmo.
Asking
We're
him
playing
between.
hide and seek.
Asking in between.
You haven't seen him yet? No, I haven't, Big Bird.
That was your last chance. About the... You officially blew all your 19 chances for watching Bob Miller. You officially blew all your 19 chances for watching... You officially blew all your 19 chances about watching Bob Miller. Today was your last day watching Bob Miller. You graduate from that show. You graduated from that show. You graduated from that show.
But you know what? I bet you'll find him.
Don't you ever watch Bob and Bill again. Do you hear me? Alan? Alan, don't you ever watch Bob and Bill again. Don't you ever watch Bob and Bill again. Do you hear me?
You just keep looking.
Don't you ever watch Bob and Bill again. Don't you ever watch Bob and Bill again. Don't you ever watch Bob and Bill again. Do you hear me? Don't watch Bob and Bill again. Don't watch Bob and Bill again. Don't you ever 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 watch Bob and Bill again. You graduated from that show. Don't say it was your last day of Bob and Bill. Don't you ever watch that show again. Don't you ever watch that show again. Don't you ever watch the show again. Don't you ever watch the show again. Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I hear you, Alan. I understand. I hear you, Alan. I understand. Good.
He's got to be around here somewhere. Well, good luck.
Don't you? No. Now I'm very proud of you for graduating from Bob and Bill.
Thanks. But you know what? I bet you'll find him.
I'm very proud of you for graduating from Bob and Bill. Because today is your last day of watching Bob and Bill. Good. You know, if you guys are scared by it, here's your Team logo, here's your Hex logo, your Studios logo, Lionsgate logo, and Universal logo. And both all versions here, Tamer logo. It goes on one version, the 2003 version, and the 2008 version. The normal pitch version and the low pitch version. Okay, I promise. It's floating. It's floating. It's floating. Ask me.